I'm going to make an Easter cake, but I can't do a proper fruit cake because James doesn't like that, and then I also have to use dairy-free butter because he doesn't like dairy. So I'm making a chocolate Simnel cake, which isn't right at all. So I'm just blending here the cocoa powder and the self-raising flour, and then I've got my cake tin ready. Now I'm just doing a bit of an experiment here because I have got some marzipan left over, so I thought it might be quite fun, because in a proper Simnel cake, that's the oven telling me it's ready, in a proper Simnel cake you're supposed to put marzipan through the middle. So
roughly what the ingredients do you have, Julia?
So I've got, oh gosh, my mum always used to call it a 663. So it's 6 ounces of, God, that shows me age, 6 ounces of margarine, 6 ounces of sugar, 3 eggs, obviously from our girls, and then 6 ounces of self-raising flour and 1 ounce of cocoa powder, which I am now very gently folding in, because you don't want to take away all the air bubbles that are just mixed in. And another little tip my mum gave me, and I think, I don't know, perhaps lots of people do know now, I don't know, is make sure all your ingredients are room temperature. This is if you're making like a sponge cake, which is what basically I'm doing, although it's going into a lovely cake tin. And I should have done that really fancy and made sure that it was lovely, but hey, I've got a fence to put up and alpacas to walk. So what I'm going to do is put half the mixture in, like that. I don't know if that's half, I'm not very good with this bit. And then I'm just going to very gently smooth it out, because again, I don't want to get rid of the bubbles, like so. This might be horrendous.
I don't think you should say things like that. What are you doing now?
And now, look, I'm going to lay some bits of marzipan on it, which I have to say will make testing the cake to see, not tasting, testing, to see if it's done really difficult, because you usually stick a knife in, and if the knife comes out clean, then it means the sponge is done. But because I'm putting marzipan in it,
the knife won't come out clean.
The knife won't come out clean. Do you think that's enough, or should I put some more in? I mean, how much do we
live
like?
dangerously, live dangerously.
So, ooh, mind the dog. Of course, obviously my kitchen's extremely hygienic. Dog's in. Right, hang on.
I don't think you should have mentioned
I don't
that.
know if that's enough. I don't know if you'll then taste it or if we'll just completely lose the flavour. I'm going to say that's enough, but one of the things is I have to do it. Right.
Taste division.
Right. Then I'm going to just gently try and put the top layer on. And I'm sorry if some of you are screaming at me going, "What are you doing?" Hey.
We're experimenting and making a cake.
You know what? All good fun. In the big scheme of things, it's all good
Should you
fun.
not be wearing a mask when you're making this?
Yeah. Hands are clean, everybody, and I don't lick my fingers.
I do.
No, you don't.
I'll lick your fingers, don't you worry. Behave.
Obviously. Ignore that. Right, now I'm just gently putting that over the top. Oh look, I've got a bit of marzipan sticking out now. Oh well, I don't want to mix it too much because I don't want to beat the air out. Get all those bits up. No doubt somebody will lick the bowl out after. Right. Okay, I put it into the oven. Normally, if you're doing a Victoria sponge type mix, it only goes in for about 25 minutes, but because I've made it more of a cake, I'm not sure. So I'm reckoning it'll probably be about 35 minutes, something like that. We'll find out. Okay, right, I think we are done. So that was 35 minutes in my combi oven. Right, hang on. I'm going to put it on our nice metal table because that's brilliant. Right, I'm just going to very gently press it, and apparently if it comes back up, I think that's done. So I'm going to get...
So if it comes back up, you think it's done? That's all right then. As long as nobody else thinks it's done.
I know. So I'm just going to get... Because if you leave the cake in the tin, it carries on cooking for a little bit, and we don't want that. So I'm going to very gently, oh that's not going to work. I need something to put it on, hang on, a glass or something, which I haven't got, yes I have, because it's one of those cake bottoms that is separate, so in theory if I do that, voila.
You look quite a professional there, don't you?
Do I? Then I can lift it. Oh no, it's going to carry on creasing. I think we're alright. I don't think it's risen very much. I have to say, it looks as flat as it did when it went in.
I reckon it's a lot thicker. It's almost doubled in volume.
So, I don't know, but I think with a little dusting of icing sugar and a decoration, it will be fantastic. It probably isn't my best.
It's your first, isn't it? Is it your first?
First what?
First chocolate Simnel cake.
First chocolate Simnel cake.
So it will be your best because it will be your first.
Okay.
All right.
Right. Well, this really puffed up cake is now on a very elegant stand because that's really important. I've got a bit of icing sugar in here because, again, I believe, you see, if you do this, it hides up a multitude of sins. See, so look.
You don't mean if you do this, it makes it look beautiful and presentable.
If you do this makes it look really pretty and beautiful, you see. I'm very professional, obviously, because as you can see, I'm professional at this. I've got skills. I have got skills. I'm not sure if they're the right ones. Right, now I've got myself a little star-shaped cutter, only because I don't have anything else. And I'm just
not because it's Easter and stars represent the
what?
The faith. I don't know. I was hoping you could tell me.
They represent, look, just prettiness. I don't know really. Actually, it was a beautiful night last night.
I was thinking of the Star of David. You know.
Oh right. Well, that's Jewish. So perhaps.
Well, it's not just Jewish. The Star of David is Christian. You know. That was what directed the wise men, wasn't it?
Oh. Yeah, thinking of a Christmas Carol. Yeah, anyway, I've got to do 12 of them because I do know there was 12 apostles.
Okay.
And so you have to do, but I'm not sure I'm going to get them all on the cake.
How many you got so far?
I'm up to 9 because look, I've done rows of 3 because I'm clever like that. Maths is my strong. It's definitely my strong point.
Geometry, not so much.
No, look, I'm just having to squeeze them on now. Like that. I'm not sure they're all going to go on. And I probably should have put a bit of water underneath them or a nice bit of jam. Oh, jam, jelly, some of my delicious jelly underneath them, and then they might have stuck. I'm going to have to put 2 in the middle because I can't fit them all in.
You don't just want 11?
No, I have 12. Like that. And then, look, my friend Kaz, she bought me some meringue mushrooms. And I like mushrooms, whatever they like. And I just
So they're going to be the apostle mushrooms?
Yeah. Look.
The mushrooms of apostle.
How cool. Oh,
It's very, very.
sorry. What's this? Hang on, this is really boring. Hang on, let me just... I know they'll fall off, but still, look.
When will they fall off?
When I go to cut the cake.
Ah,
Cut
then it
this-
won't make any difference.
Cut this rock. Hang on. Ta-da!
Excellent.